In this video, we're going to know that which are the best brands for POP false ceiling and how much it will cost to install the POP false ceiling designs. What are the labor charges for installing this POP false ceiling? So friends, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel. So let's begin the topic. POP false ceilings are widely used in interior designs for both functional and aesthetics purpose. It also enhances the overall look of a space with decorative designs and can be molded into inside patterns, curves, or geometric shapes, provide a seamless and smooth finish. And it has some beautiful advantages like it hides electrical wirings, pipes, and air conditioning ducts for a cleaner appearance. Also allows easy integration for lighting fixtures and fans. And it helps in maintaining the room temperature by reducing the heat transfer, improves energy efficiency. So friends, now we're going to know that which are the best brands for POP false ceiling. In Indian market, there are the different types of POP false ceilings are available. In Indian market, there are the some of the top brands for POP false ceilings. Like I will share you top 5 most popular brands, which are Jeep Rock by Saint Gobain. Another one is Armstrong. Third one is the Trimurti. Fourth one is Shera, USG Boral, or Ultratech POP. So these are the top brands in my suggestion. So friends, now we're going to know that how much it will cost for installing this type of false ceilings. So it totally depends upon the designs and the complexity of designs, because for a plain and simple designs, the price starts from 70 to 80 rupees per square feet and it goes to almost 150 rupees per square feet. So the price totally depends upon the designs which you select. But in this video, this type of designs you want to go with 100 rupees to 120 rupees per square feet. In this price, everything is included like labor cost with materials, everything, the aluminum frames which are used to make the false ceilings. So to understand that how much it will cost for one room false ceiling, like let me take some example that our ceiling size is 10 by 12. So that means the total area of ceiling is 120 square feet, and the price is, let me assume that 100 rupees per square feet. So 120 into 100, the price comes is 12,000 rupees for 120 square feet area. So this is the way you can calculate that your false ceiling price. But also again, I'm repeating that the price totally depends upon the designs. It may be increase also like 120 rupees per square feet, and if you go with the simple design, so this will start from 70 rupees per square feet. But in this video, this type of designs if you want to go with, and these designs will be 100 rupees per square feet. So this is the way you can calculate your price of false ceiling. So suppose if your room size is ceiling size is 10 by 10, that means if you then you have to multiply this 10 into 10, the ceiling area is 100 square feet, and 100 into 100, the price comes is 10,000 rupees. So for 10 by 10 wall, the price is 10,000 rupees. And if you want to go with your size is bigger size like 10 by 15, so almost the price comes is 15,000 rupees. This is the way you can calculate. And if you want more details, you can ask me in the comment section. I told you that which are the best brands also. So friends, so nowadays the false ceiling has become the popular choice because most of the homes you can see they're making the designs of ceilings like false ceilings. There are different types of false ceiling available like POP, gypsum. Now PVC panels also, PVC false ceiling is also available. But POP false ceiling is the most popular false ceiling in these designs because it's more durable and it is commonly used in Indian homes. POP false ceilings made by mixing the plaster of Paris with water and applying it over a metal mesh or fiberboard frameworks. It also requires skilled labor to mix, apply, and smoothen manually on site. It takes longer to install, but it has some beautiful advantages like more durable and resistant to cracks over time if applied well, but prone to shrinkage cracks if it is not mixed properly. So you have to remember these important points. It also allows for intricate designs, curves, and moldings due to its moldable nature. It is also absorbs the moisture and can deteriorate in damp conditions. So this is the most common factor where this type of false ceilings use, and it can be also repaired easily on site. Like gypsum, it repairs may require replacing entire panels. So this is one more beautiful advantages. But one another disadvantages of POP is produce more wastage during installation. So friends, if you want more details,